Hi, Chris from Dragon Magnet Fishing. We're at the second annual Get the Motor City Magnet Fishing event. Here with some friends, Michigan Magnet Man, and Scuba Sonia. Unfortunately, Jason wasn't able to be here. I'm so sorry, buddy. Hopefully next time. We're at that John Dingle Park, and we're going to start getting those magnets back. See you soon. All right, little guy, big magnet. Let's see what happens. Nice. That's a pretty heavy magnet. Good job.
I think it's impossible to get stuck.
Hopefully not.
Let's see where you will catch.
You'd be surprised, buddy. You'd be...
Wait, did you catch something?
We're gonna find out. No, that's just rope right now. Let's see what we got. Ooh, I either just plunged into the mud or something got on.
I think I broke that.
You don't want to see what happens if this magnet gets stuck. Ew.
What do you got?
A crud sickle.
Hey, you need help? You
No.
want to scrape it?
No, scraper won't work with this one, buddy.
No, I think it's just a heavy piece of metal or something.
What's that?
He was having a hard trouble getting something off of it.
Hey!
You want to do it?
Yep.
Wow, I don't think I fully hit bottom yet.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell if it's caught on something or if it's the current.
If you can feel it rippling,
Yeah,
it's usually the current.
gotcha.
With those, what you want to kind of do with the current is just kind of bob it on the way in.
Hey, you better watch out! Mine's coming from the door!
See, like this, I think the carabiner's just, when I let off, it's finally hitting bottom.
Yeah.
Whoa! Mine's coming from the door!
Okay, we're going to
Keep going!
I love it, he's so high energy.
Yeah, she has ADHD.
I did too. Now look at me. Oh, here we go, I'm on something big. Oh,
That's the spot where my mom got caught, so.
okay.
Hopefully it's that big safe we were talking about. Nothing. You want me to try?
Yeah, whoa! Where's the
I'm going to try.
Did you get it? Oh, I'm flipping rocks. Which means if there was something on there, I lost it.
Yeah, that's what we were thinking with my mom. Yeah. It's more the current taking it. It's not the magnet, I'll take that.
See, and the thing is the cement that's in here, if it's what I think it is, it's got rebar sticking out of it.
Yeah.
So you're probably catching on rebar
Yeah.
and flipping the rock that it's attached to, and then it breaks free.
Probably, yeah.
Hey, why you won't catch? Where you catching?
We'll find out in a minute, won't we?
Let's see where you
That's as close to the wall as I want to get. If I get any closer, it will go to the wall.
going.
Bet.
Wow, where
All right. We got a nasty mess.
Oh, look what he got.
Whoa! Where is it?
Spike Lee.
Where's Spike Lee?
Oh.
Looks like they got a part of something.
We're gonna Jasonize it here in a second.
Wow.
Okay.
What kind of spike is some sort?
Yeah, I've never seen a spike
Huh.
bent up. That's custom bent. Somebody probably used it as a tent spike.
Yup.
And then the tent probably blew and this shot off into the water.
What kind of spike was it?
Ooh, look, fishing line. And schmutzki.
I think I will catch a dead fish.
I don't think the dead fish is.
I've seen people catch a live one. Actually, I've seen people bringing a fishing line with dead fish on the end of the hook. They can't get the food. Put your back into it. Let me know when you give up. Ah. Hey, at least you tried.
Down there, Pepper Road down here off the.
Wow, yours isn't even giving way.
It does. Oh man, we're scared of sharks.
Yeah, thanks, Jaws.
You think so?
My sharks are just afraid of us as we are of them. Only difference is they can probably eat us. I have an advantage though. I'm bigger than most people, so they just think I was like a baby whale or something. You're about the size of a seal. Yeah, they'd like you. That or the rope broke. Why do you have so many knots? It's not funny.
Not my fault.
See, that's just disappointing when you get stuck. Oh look, a phone. Boy, I'm getting lucky.
I mean, it's not.
Yeah, a little while ago we thought we caught something good, and both of their magnets stuck together.
Yeah, I remember because I was in the middle. I had to separate them.
Yeah.
That was good. You guys giving up already? Watch that section between this fishing pole and that outcove. There's a lot of rocks. Okay.
Hey, what are you doing with your stuff? What you caught on?
I throw it in my bucket. Because I just started. I've been helping people. Yeah, because the rope's junk. I'm on something.
Do you need help getting it out?
Not yet. Maybe in a minute.
What time is pulling it out?
Oh, make sure you're patient.
Right, you need patience for this. You have to go slow and take your time. You know, there's days you don't get anything. I have a video to prove it. My last one. I went to my cousin's my aunt and uncle's property, threw it in the lake like 12 times, gave up. Woo, fishing line. All right, not a lot.
I don't know what it is. 3, 2, 9, 2, 3. Yeah, I got it.
We had 2-0.
3, 2, 9.
Oh, just 3 off.
Bye.
Okay, we're gonna pull another.
They're probably way down there, don't even know what's going on.
Okay, the car hold back. The next ticket number is 332980.
Again, you're right around the bit.
We had 7-9.
Our next is going to be for a 2,600-pound single-sided magnetic magnet.
Let's go.
And the number is 332970. Looks like we got a winner coming out.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
You want to see how you scare kids? Start making funny voices and they're like,
You hold them. You're the winner in this family. Thank you. Hold the winner.
right? You gotta go with the lucky one.
You and Devin winners.
All right, the next
Come on,
one.
winner. Come on. You can do it. Let's see.
For a 2,600 double-sided magnet. Yeah. The winner is 332986. Got it? That's good stuff right there. Good job,
I wonder when they're gonna do the raffle for the one that you get for donating.
Okay, and our final giveaway for this Love Beach spot.
$100 one,
I really hate that thing.
332944.
I think your winning just ran out, bud.
Alright, look at there. That was worth the trip, wasn't it? How would you do with your gas money?
Oh,
50-50 chance of winning.
half the money.
So, congratulations, the winner of the 50-50 is going to get $37. Who hasn't pulled one? Any of the other kids want to pull one? Pull one.
Thank you.
You want to pull one?
It's got gloves.
And the winner of the 50-50 is 332915. That's going to be all for the raffle. I just want to say before you guys all leave, thank you again for coming out. We got plenty more hot dogs going. We'd love to see you guys out here fishing. And we'd like to get a big group photo if everyone would like to get a group photo for the event. We're going to set up right on this little hill over here, over there, and we'll go ahead and take a photo of everybody.
You want me to run down towards the end and let people know we're doing a big group photo?
We got some money donated back from Cal for the E-Course Creek cleanup. We really appreciate that. All right, so let's head over for the group photo right over here.
You want me to run down there and see if anybody wants to come down from way down there?
Let's do that.
All right.
And take a picture.
I'm gonna set this on by the table here, and give me a couple minutes. I'll see who wants to come down.
Yeah, Joe and DJ are down there, and then there's one little boy, another dad.
There's my son way down there too. Wow.
I don't know if you heard, they're getting ready to gather up for a big group photo here in a little bit.
Okay.
I'm just going down here to see if anybody from down here wants to get in on it. Easy with that murder metal. So, yeah. I remember you guys were right next to us. I just now got the camera on. Hello. They're getting ready to do a big group photo.
Okay.
You look tired, man.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a magnet. Nice. They're getting ready to do a group photo if you want to get in on it.
I'm trying to get a bigger rope.
I already gave my big rope away. Sorry, bud. You guys coming down for the group photo? What's up? Oh no. I got wraps and stuff. Hey, they're getting ready to do a big group photo if you guys want to get in on it. Son of a gun. The back popped off again.
Come on, Deej. I'm Joe, by the way. Hi, Deej.
How you doing, Ryan?